Well, just like you guys, I try to keep my car clean and detailed as much as possible when I have the time. But I've had a few people ask me if I have my car cleaned professionally. I tell them no, I do it all myself. And they start asking me questions, how do I get my tires clean and looking the way they do, and the exterior trim package. So this is a quick video on how I clean my Denali and touch up the trim package and the tires. As you can see, I use this Turtle Wax Trim Restorer. This stuff protects all plastic trim, rubber trim, bumpers, window seals. It protects it from fading from the sun's UV rays. It's fairly inexpensive. All you gotta do is just shake and just put on a rag or on the area that you want to restore. They say to put it on and wait for about 5 minutes, but I just go ahead and put it on my plastic and just rub it in there. If you've never used this stuff before, you may need a second coat. I'm really surprised that I get compliments on my Denali. It's not a new Denali, it's a 2005. It's got a few scratches and dings. I'm really surprised they asked me about my tires and my trim, but this is what I use. It does a really good job of restoring all the black plastic parts, especially the rubber in the window areas. Sometimes they can get grimy and dingy looking. You can see the results immediately. You wonder why you haven't been using this stuff all this time. All this time I thought my car was looking great until I used this stuff. I've got some side-by-side comparisons coming up. One of the things I like about using this product, all you got to do is just put it on. You don't have to buff it. You don't have to spray anything. You don't have to brush anything. Put it on a rag or put it on the rubber and just rub away. Here's the side-by-side comparison that I was telling you about. What a big difference. I used to use Armor All, but it never lasted very long. And of course I heard the rumors where it damages the rubber, but I don't know if that's true or not. But once I put this stuff on, it seems like it lasts for a week. And I live in an area where we get some rain from time to time, and the water just beads right off of it. Now the tires and rims. This Eagle One mag wheel cleaner, this stuff is awesome. The first time I used this stuff, I couldn't believe my eyes. You just spray it on, give it a couple of minutes. By the way, if you have an aluminum threshold on your front entry door or any door, this stuff works great. Makes it look like new. Just click on the upper right hand corner, it'll take you to the video. And I take a brush to it. Brush all the nooks and crannies. Here I'm using just a regular dish brush that you would use on your dishes. I hope she doesn't find out that I'm using it. Then I take some water to it. You can immediately see the result that this stuff does. After rinsing it off really good, then I take a towel and just dry it off. You don't want to leave any of this stuff on, it's caustic a little bit. Look how clean that looks. It looks beautiful. Well, I'm ready for the prom. Okay, next we're going to get the tires nice and black and wet looking. I'm using this Black Magic Tire Wet. I love this stuff because it gets your tires nice and black and that wet look. All I do is just spray it on. Leave it on for about 5 or 10 minutes. The longer the better. Okay, after about 5 or 10 minutes, go ahead and lightly wipe it off. Yeah, this is looking really great. Check out this comparison. Doesn't that look awesome? Alright, looks like we're all done. Stop by and check out my video that I'll be doing next, where I show you how to fix all these chips on my back bumper and replace this black plastic cover that I didn't have. I'll also show you how to touch up your front bumper. Well, looks like I'm all done. Now you know what to do to make your trim package look great and your tires and rims look like new. If you want, send me a picture of your vehicle, a before and after. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!